Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to step number 9 in how to create a Wix website. Now in this video guys, we're going to go ahead and take a look at our page SEO, which refers to search engine optimization. Now guys, search engine optimization essentially means how Google finds and puts our website on their search engine. So very simply put, the higher our SEO score, the more likely our customers will find our website on Google. So in this video guys, we're going to go ahead and take a look at how we can use the different settings in Wix to make sure that our page SEO score is very high. So let's go ahead and do that right now guys. Let's go to our Wix account. So once we're on our Wix account guys, the first thing we're going to do to increase our SEO score is we're going to go ahead and give our page a title and a description. Now guys, this is a very important step in increasing your SEO score simply because a page title and description tells Google and customers what our website is about and what we want to be ranking for. So to add a page title and description guys, we can scroll over to our left side over here, and on the top left go ahead and click this button, and then in this over here guys, we're going to go ahead and select our home page first, and we're going to go ahead and select this circle right here, and then scroll down to our fourth tab which says page SEO. So go ahead and select that, and then over here guys, go ahead and select the fourth tab once again which says SEO. So once we're on this tab guys, we can see that right over here we can go ahead and put in our page title and our page description. Now very quickly we can see that I went ahead and filled this out before this video, but it's extremely simple to do guys. You simply click on it and you can go ahead and customize what you want this text to say. Now a quick tip for writing your page title guys is you want to make sure that you write your page title for a specific keyword. Now a keyword tells Google what you want to rank for. Now for example, for my website, I went ahead and selected the keyword co-working spaces, and we can see that I went ahead and included that in my title. So what this tells Google is, it tells Google that my website is probably about co-working spaces, and when somebody types that into Google, there's a high chance that my website will rank for it, okay? So make sure you include your keyword in your page title, and if we scroll down over here guys, in a similar procedure for our page description, which further tells customers and Google what our website is about, you want to go ahead and give in 3 to 4 lines about your basic description about your website. And once again guys, it's very important to understand that you need to include your keywords just so that you have a higher chance of ranking for your particular topic, okay? So we can see over here guys that I went ahead and put in my page title and description. Once you have that done, we can go ahead and press this preview button right here, and we can see right here that this is what our listing will look like on Google. So that's pretty cool. Now if we go ahead and click this once again, there's another thing that I want to show you very quickly. If we scroll down further over here guys, we can go ahead and select this box right here. And what this does is, this makes sure that the page will not appear on Google. So if in an exceptional case guys, if you don't want your page to rank on Google, then you can go ahead and select this and it will not appear on Google. But I highly recommend you not to do this simply because you're just hurting yourself in terms of SEO, okay? So make sure this is deselected. Once you have these settings in place guys, go ahead and press the done button right here. So that's one way in which we can improve our SEO. Now the next thing that I want to talk about when it comes to improving your SEO, let's say for example if you have some pictures on your homepage. So for example purposes, I'm going to go ahead and put in a nice picture on my homepage. So we're going to go ahead and select it. I'm going to go ahead and select a free Wix image. Give me a second while I do that. And we can see guys that right here we have a Wix picture on our homepage. Now guys, as a rule of thumb, once you put up a picture on your homepage or on your website in general, you want to make sure that you give your picture a title, because just like we have our page titles, a picture title further tells Google what your picture is about and so on, what is your website about, okay? So to give your picture a title, we can go ahead and click this settings button right here. And then once again guys, we can scroll down to the bottom, and then over here where it says what's in this image, tell Google, we can go ahead and put in a nice little description. So I'm going to go ahead and write in co-working spaces employee. Now this is just an example guys, I haven't really thought about this text, but you get the point. So make sure that all your pictures in your website have a nice title so that Google can identify them easily, okay? So once we have that done guys, that's another way in which you can go ahead and further improve your SEO, okay? So that's pretty cool. Now quickly guys, I'm going to go ahead and actually remove this image. And the last way that I want to talk about in which you can improve your SEO score is through contact forms. Now, having a contact form on your website, guys, tells Google who this website belongs to, and if customers want to know, things about your website as far as how you want to get in touch with you, they can go ahead and find that out. So Google does place a lot of value into that. Now, most of these templates, guys, come in with a nice little contact form right here. In the event that it does not, you can simply go ahead and press this button right here, and then you can scroll down, guys, and where it says contact right here, we can go ahead and put in a contact form by just selecting one of the contact forms right here. And we can see, guys, that we have a nice contact form. So if you can, guys, go ahead and put that in too. And with that said, guys, these are 3 different things that you can go ahead and put onto your Wix website to further improve your SEO score. So with that said, guys, that's pretty much it for this video, and I will see you in the next video.